Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi everybody and welcome to Spice and Pans. Before we start, please follow us on Instagram and our Facebook page to know what we are cooking next. Today we'll be cooking Zhi Char style curry pork. So let's start cooking. First, we'll marinate the pork. I have with me here 230 grams of pork loin, sliced very thinly like this. You will need half a teaspoon of 5 spice powder or 五香粉, 1.5 teaspoon of curry powder. You can use the curry powder that's meant for meat. 2 teaspoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and dashes of pepper. Mix them up well and leave them to marinate in the fridge for half an hour. This dish is extremely easy to make, and I'm sure this will satisfy your craving of curry if you have it at any time. Okay, it takes less than an hour to do this. The only time consuming is actually the marinating only. The cooking part is super easy, I assure you, and it tastes wonderfully good. Okay, so once you're done with this, just leave it in the fridge and marinate them for half an hour. Now we're going to fry the curry pork. Heat up a pan. Add in approximately 1 tablespoon of oil. Swirl the oil around. I'm going to add in 10 grams of ginger chopped, 2 pieces of shallots chopped, and 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Fry them until fragrant. I'm using a pan from Shogun by La Gourmet. It's a very good pan, it's a non-stick pan. I've been using this for many months already and it's really good, very well heat distribution, and it's graphite coated too. I'm going to add in 2 large red onions sliced. I'm adding the red onions in because they give you an added fragrance to the dish, and of course I like to eat onions, that's why I'm adding quite a fair bit of them inside here. The shallots, when I put them right in front, is because I also want to enhance the flavor of this dish. In Chinese cooking, there's no major rules on what you can add or what you can't add. If you have only red onions, then just use red onions. If you have both, then of course it's best to use both. Your shallots give you a slightly more intense flavor as compared to red onions. Okay, now I add in 1 tablespoon of curry powder, meat curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Depending on how spicy you want your curry to be, you can add in a little bit of chili powder or more. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Now add in 1 cup of water. Stir them up well. I would also like to add in half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder, as well as half a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we'll add in the pork. Make sure you stir them up well, unfold the pork so that they can be cooked evenly. Now if your curry is a little bit dry and you want it slightly wetter, you can add in a little bit of water, it's fine, no worries on that. This is a very simple and easy dish and super delicious, let me tell you that. I like a little gravy on my curry, so I'll add in another cup of water. Now, when the water is boiling, we'll put the cover on and let this cook and boil for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is up, let's have a look. Oh, smells so good. Stir it a little. Now before serving, let's have a taste. Wow, super yummy. Now I like a little bit of green in my curry. You can add in okra, brinjals or whatever during the time when you actually boil this. I'm just going to add in spring onions. I love spring onions. So I'm just going to put this in. Might seems a bit weird to some of you, but it's okay. You can put in any greens that you like. Okay, this is done. Time to serve this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our Zichar style curry pork. I hope you enjoyed our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.